Dropshipping, a comprehensive guide. Introduction to dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. How dropshipping works. Setting up your online store. Choose a niche. Research and select a specific market segment to target. A well-defined niche can help you stand out and attract a dedicated customer base. Select a platform. Use e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your store. These platforms offer various templates and tools to help you build and manage your store. Design your store. Customize the look and feel of your store to reflect your brand. Ensure your website is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Finding suppliers. Directories and marketplaces. Websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu connect you with suppliers who are willing to dropship. Contact suppliers directly. Reach out to manufacturers or wholesalers directly to negotiate dropshipping arrangements. Evaluate suppliers. Check reviews. Request samples, and evaluate the quality of their products and reliability of their shipping methods. Listing products. Product selection. Choose products that align with your niche and have a good profit margin. Product descriptions. Write detailed and engaging product descriptions. Include high-quality images and videos to showcase the products. Pricing strategy. Set competitive prices while ensuring you maintain a healthy profit margin. Consider costs such as product price, shipping, transaction fees, and marketing expenses. Managing orders and shipping. Order processing. When a customer places an order, forward the order details to your supplier. The supplier then picks, packs, and ships the product directly to the customer. Tracking and updates. Provide customers with tracking information and regular updates on their order status to ensure transparency and trust. Customer service. Communication. Offer prompt and courteous customer support. Use email, chat, or social media to address customer queries and concerns. Returns and refunds. Develop a clear return and refund policy. Coordinate with your supplier to handle returns and refunds efficiently. Advantages of dropshipping. Low startup costs. No need to invest in inventory or warehousing. Wide product selection. Access to a vast array of products without having to stock them. Location independence. Manage your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Scalability. Easily scale your business by adding new products and suppliers without significant overhead costs. Challenges of dropshipping. Low margins. Intense competition can lead to lower profit margins. Inventory issues. Lack of control over inventory levels can result in stockouts or delays. Supplier errors. Mistakes made by suppliers, such as incorrect or damaged shipments, can affect your reputation. Shipping complexities. Managing shipping times and costs, especially for international orders, can be challenging. Tips for success in dropshipping. Focus on customer experience. Prioritize customer satisfaction by providing excellent service and high-quality products. Invest in marketing. Use digital marketing strategies such as SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Build strong supplier relationships. Maintain good communication with your suppliers to ensure a smooth and reliable supply chain. Stay informed. Keep up with industry trends and continuously research new products and market opportunities. Conclusion. Dropshipping is a viable business model for entrepreneurs looking to start an online store with minimal upfront investment. By understanding the intricacies of the dropshipping process, selecting reliable suppliers, and focusing on customer satisfaction, you can build a successful dropshipping business. With dedication and strategic planning, dropshipping can offer a flexible and profitable path to e-commerce success.